Are you allowed just one person you can confide in if I'm having family and work colleague problems? Is this categorized as backbiting? Alhamdulillah. Just one person to talk to or avoid becoming depressed. Okay. If I have understood from your question, my sister Nadira, that means you are having one person with you and you are backbiting, or you're talking something about your family or some issues of the problems of the colleague. It is definitely, if you're discussing the problems, that's not backbiting. But if you are saying, okay, my boss is bad, but you don't give the reason to that, just because he's angry at sometimes at your work, or sometimes you have done something like that, and then you say that your boss is, you are talking ill about your boss, then it is definitely a backbiting. But the definition of backbiting is that you are saying something about somebody that is true, that this person has got something wrong in him or her. So, because Sahaba said, Ya Rasulullah, when we are talking something bad about somebody, that person, he is having that bad thing in it. So, Rasulullah said, that is called backbiting and that is haram. If you are saying something bad about the person and that is not there in him or in her, then you are not backbiting, you are slandering, and that is worse than backbiting. And accusing of, saying something which is wrong. So that is whether you are with one person or for one person in the colleague who has a problem, or you are talking bad, that's avoid, you should not do that.